Good morning, class. Today we're going to review the essays you wrote for homework. As you know, I asked each of you to write a short essay about a personal topic. This is a great opportunity to identify common mistakes and learn from them together.
Professor, will we be reading all of our essays out loud?
Yes, and I want everyone to listen carefully. When you hear a mistake, raise your hand. This exercise will help all of you recognize these errors in your own writing.
That sounds like a good learning method.
I'm nervous about sharing my essay. I'm not sure if it's perfect.
Don't worry, Maria. Making mistakes is how we learn. Nobody expects perfection. Let's start with your essay.
My essay is titled My Hometown. Should I begin reading now?
Yes, please go ahead.
I love my hometown very much. It's a beautiful place with friendly people. I live in my hometown since 10 years, and I enjoy every moment there.
Stop there, Maria. Kevin, did you notice a mistake in what Maria just read?
I think there might be something wrong with I live in my hometown since 10 years.
Exactly right. When we talk about duration, we use for, not since. Since is for starting points. For is for periods of time. The correct way is, I have lived in my hometown for 10 years.
Oh, I see the difference now. Should I continue?
Yes, please continue.
My family has 5 peoples, and we all love living here. Every weekend we spend time in the Central Park. The weather is usually nice throughout the year.
Maria, pause again. Laura, did you catch the mistake this time?
I'm not sure. Everything sounds okay to me.
That's all right, Laura. The mistake is, my family has 5 peoples. People is already the plural form. We say, my family has 5 people, or there are 5 people in my family.
I understand now. Let me finish the essay. We make parties every weekend in the summer. There's a beautiful festival each year called the Summer Music Festival. Everyone in town participates and we all have wonderful memories together. The festival includes live music, traditional food, and dancing. My favorite part is when local artists display their paintings in the town square. Last year, over 500 people attended this celebration.
One more mistake there, Maria. What did you hear, Kevin?
She said we make parties. I think it should be we have parties or we throw parties.
Exactly. In English, we have parties, throw parties, or organize parties. We don't make parties. Great work, Maria. Now let's hear Kevin's essay.
My essay is called My Dream Job. Here it is. I have 22 years old and I'm studying computer science at university.
Kevin, stop there. Can anyone identify the mistake?
I think he should say, I am 22 years old, instead of, I have 22 years old.
Exactly right. In English, we use I am for age, not I have. This is different from many other languages. Continue, Kevin.
Technology fascinates me every day. I am interested in artificial intelligence and software development. My goal is to work for an innovative tech company.
2 mistakes that time. Did you guys notice?
He said, I am interested in artificial intelligence. I think it should be, I am interested in artificial intelligence.
Perfect. Interesting describes something that creates interest. Interested describes someone who feels interest. What about the other mistake? The mistake was an innovative tech company. It should be an innovative tech company because innovative starts with a vowel sound. We use an before words that start with vowel sounds.
That makes sense now. Let me continue. I believe I can learn you about programming languages. My professors say I have natural talent. Programming requires patience and creativity, which I definitely possess. During my studies, I have learned Python, Java, and JavaScript. I also enjoy working on mobile app development. My dream is to create applications that make people's daily lives easier and more efficient. Technology is changing so rapidly, and I want to be part of that innovation.
1 mistake there, Kevin. Laura?
I can learn you doesn't sound right. Should it be I can teach you?
Exactly. Learn is what the student does. Teach is what the teacher does. I can teach you is correct.
Let me finish the essay. I am agree that experience is very important, so I'm looking for internships. In the future, I hope to create software that helps people solve real-world problems.
1 final mistake, Kevin. What was it, Laura?
I'm not sure. I didn't catch anything wrong.
That's okay, Laura. He said, I am agree. Agree is a verb, so we don't need am before it. We simply say, I agree. Excellent, Kevin. Unfortunately, we're running out of time today. Laura, please read your essay in our next class. Now, before class ends, let's review what we learned today together.
We learned about for versus since, and that people is already plural.
We also learned about I am for age and interested versus interesting.
And we learned about using an before vowel sounds instead of a.
What about the difference between learn and teach?
Learn is what the student does, and teach is what the teacher does.
We also learned that we have or throw parties, not make parties.
And we should say, I agree, not I am agree.
Perfect. These mistakes are very common. For homework, rewrite your essays with the correct forms. Class dismissed.
And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments. And if you have ideas for future topics, let me know down below. Your feedback really helps shape the next lessons.